Hi, it's Richard from Sleephaven. We're just on one of our rug cleaning days. You can see we've got a rug down here already prepared on the grills, and we've got our Protoma Tornado rug beater to beat out the rug and get rid of all the dust that's within the rug. So the process is we'll go over the rug, beat out the dust just like your gran used to do many years ago. So she was right, but we'll do this. And then once we've done that, we'll then vac the rug thoroughly on both sides. But I just wanted to show you what we can beat out the rug before we actually clean it. So this is just all part of the preparation process. So I've got Liam and Taylor with me, and Taylor's on the camera duties at the moment. So I hope you got me all in frame. So let's go and let's see what happens. Right, so we've beaten the rug, and we're just going to flip this over and let's have a little look what's come out. I think you can see there all the dust that we've beaten out the rug. Now we do it outside for one of the reasons, because I probably should have worn a mask, because there's a lot of dust that's come out of this rug. So what I'm going to do now is get Liam to vac this front and back, and then we'll crack on, and they're all prepped ready for cleaning tomorrow. Anyway, if we can help you with your rug cleaning or any other cleaning, internal or external, give us a call on 01327 342 594. Many thanks.